If you are into sports and esports, here is a blockchain gaming platform for you to enjoy your favorite streams while getting involved as well. What is RankingBall? RankingBall is a platform where users can play games and watch live sports simultaneously. It provides streams for major North American sports leagues such as LBL, NFL, NBA, European sports leagues such as EPL, La Liga, and esports games such as League of Legends. Games in RankingBall offer a play-by-play strategy prediction game design, similar to Bingo, which is highly popular in North America and Europe. Basically, it quantifies real-time events that occur and reflect them in a scoring system. RankingBall's 2020 esports service is now live. There will be streams for all the upcoming League of Legends, LoL, games, so if you are a fan, watch out for this space. You will be able to support your favorite teams, interact with other users and also play games. How to play? To get started, you will need to sign up on RankingBall. There is also an app for RankingBall which is available on both iOS and Android app stores. Once you are done with the account setup, here is a simple tutorial to get you started. What is the catch? By participating in various RankingBall games, you will be able to earn GX, Global Digital Content Token. There are many things you can do with GX. For example, you can trade them on exchanges such as Coinbean, Kyber Network, and you can use it to purchase game money cards, digital gift cards, mobile top-ups, and other retail products from Keen Wallet. We're in a changing world where we no longer need to remain as viewers and we can get involved in money. You can read full post on CryptoFans. News, link available in text below.